Yo, what's up, dudes? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Gears and Grit. It's my girl here. We're riding with her today on her Ducati Scrambler night shift. We ordered an exhaust for her too. We ordered a Leo Vince exhaust, but it's gonna be here maybe like next week. So there's gonna be a video on that. But I just want to thank you guys so much for the 11 subscribers. I know it's not too much, but I'm still appreciate that the very few people that do enjoy my content enough to subscribe. So thank you so much, guys. So this is the first ride with the exhaust on. You guys can see. I don't know if you guys can see actually, but or if you guys can hear me, because honestly it's super loud. But you guys will enjoy it, you know. But I wanted to talk about today about Gears and Grit, why I was named that. Obviously, for the gears part, you're modifying your motorcycles, but the grit part is not only grit getting your hands dirty, doing stuff like that, but also grit about pursuing your dreams and never stop pushing forward, right? Because I've been seeing too many people, like in their 20s, talking about, dude, I don't know what to do with my life. I'm lost right now. And man, at your 20s, dude, like you're richer than Warren Buffett, right? Not in money-wise, but with time, because he cannot buy time, right? So you have all the opportunity in your life to do whatever the hell you want to do. Like for me, I came from a rough background. I'm originally from Massachusetts. I moved down here to Florida. You know, I was a mechanic before. I ended up leaving that job because I thought about, dude, what the hell am I going to do when I'm older? My body's not going to be able to take it. So I left that to pursue software development and tech. I mean, the tech market right now is terrible. I don't know if you guys have been applying or if anyone else is on tech watching this, but dude, the tech market is terrible. And I'm thinking about transitioning careers again for the third time, or something like the same time. I kind of miss working with my hands, even though like I do have a cozy remote job and all, but I do miss working with my hands at times. But yeah, man, can you guys hear this exhaust? It's crazy though. Shit's crazy. The exhaust is wild. There's like burbles, pops. Hold on. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it sounds nice. But yeah, dudes, like, and immediately when I moved down here, oh, she's out. Okay, yeah, there's a lot of traffic. Yeah, when I moved down here, I attended a boot camp right away, and it was one of those boot camps that you don't have to pay until they get you a job, which was great. Because at the time I was unemployed, you know what I mean? So I was like, word, I don't gotta pay anything until they find me a job. Oh yeah, she feels good, guys. But yeah, like after I graduated that, they found me a job. I got my foot in the door. Very blessed, you know. Ever since then, I just been pushing it away. Like you cannot get stagnant in a company. Like since my first tech job, I've had maybe 3 other jobs with 3 separate companies. You cannot get stagnant, right? Whether it's for pay, because at first I was a contractor, but you always want to get a full-time position, right? A full-time employee, salary, benefits. Contractor gigs, some of them pay more, but that's because they're not paying for your health insurance, they're not paying for any of your benefits, so you got to pay that out of pocket. Anyways, guys, I know this is out of the ordinary, but I just wanted to, you know, lift up some morale to say that it is possible. Because there's a lot of young dudes out there in their 20s thinking, damn, dude, like I'm a failure, like, I don't know what to do, but I'm here to tell you that it's possible, man, you know? Possible, dude. I'm not gonna say it's easy, but it's possible, you know. And then once you get that accomplishment finished, you're in tech or wherever the hell you want to be. That feeling wears off, and then you want to keep pushing to the next thing, and the next thing, and the next thing. Let's see what we got going on here today. It's empty today. A couple stragglers there, but yeah. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to make a really quick video, and for you guys to listen to the exhaust. So for the rest of the ride, I'm just gonna stay quiet, let you guys listen, and enjoy the ride with me.